Today on Straight Talk, I'm pleased to have on my program Matt Vonachen, the incoming president for ISSA. Welcome, Matt. How are you today?
I'm terrific. Good morning, Jeff.
Good to have you and to get to know you a little bit better. So thank you for your time. I know you're busy, not only with ISSA, but your own company. So thank you for all you're doing. Let's get right into our discussion. We have a few questions for you today, Matt. Let's start with this one. Tell us about your relationship with ISSA, a little bit of history there from you and your family's perspective.
Sure. Thanks, Jeff. Well, I began in the industry in 1988 as a manufacturer's rep for Rubbermaid Commercial Products. And at that point, I had the opportunity to work the floor of the trade show, which was a credible experience. Throughout my career, I've not only been a manufacturer's rep for Rubbermaid, but I've also worked in a family distribution business, Vonachen Industrial Supplies. I left Rubbermaid in '93 and joined the family distribution business with my grandfather and my father, Jay, and my uncle, Rudy, and worked in that business until 2008, when I became a commercial contract cleaning company. My involvement in the association really began in '93 as the YES coordinator. YES was the Young Executive Society, and I was the district coordinator in Illinois for YES. And then in 1999, I became the chairperson for the YES organization. Moving forward into 2018, I was elected to the ISSA Board of Directors as the BSC representative and served a 3-year term. And during that term, we voted to include building service contractors in the rotation for the ISSA presidency. At that time, when I joined the board, it was a manufacturer and a distributor that served in the rotation. And we decided during that board term to add building service contractors in that rotation.
Well, Matt, thank you for sharing those details. You mentioned your family history a little bit, but I believe your father had a big impact on you. Can you speak to that and any family history that brought you here today to where you're at ISSA?
Sure. There's no question my dad had a tremendous and continues to have a tremendous impact on me, being my primary coach and mentor in life. I really got my start in the family business because of my grandfather, Bob Vonachen, and Bob started the family distribution business in the mid-40s. Jay joined the business in the early 60s, which was Vonachen Industrial Supplies. So as a kid, I grew up working in the business, performing every function you can imagine. Dad typically sought out to find the most difficult, dirty task for me to do and thought that was what I should be doing.
That's what dads do.
They do.
They say it adds character, Matt. That adds character to you. So here you are, lots of character because of what your dad did. Thank you for sharing that. So you're about to assume the role as president of ISSA. Did you ever see that in your career as you might be here right now?
I did not. When I joined Rubbermaid Commercial Products, my experience with the ISSA show was really the trade show. And then when I became a distributor, I got more involved in the association, but really never dreamed that I would have an opportunity to be either on the board of directors or president of the ISSA. And when I first joined the association, or first started participating in the association, building service contractors were not even members, and they were not allowed to be members. So not only were they not members, but they also weren't able to participate in the trade show itself.
Different time.
Different times.
So I was fairly new with my role in media with the industry, and I remember that change. It was a big deal.
It was.
Yeah. Came across our plates like, wow, this is big. So Well, Matt, you're going to be the president for the next year, so we look forward to that. And now we know a little bit more about you. Let's talk about the 100-year anniversary of ISSA. We're about to celebrate that. So you're the president during the 100-year anniversary. How important is that milestone to you and those in the industry, in the association?
Well, I think first and foremost, 100 years is an incredible milestone. And everybody associated with the ISSA should feel extremely proud of this accomplishment. I view it as a tremendous honor to be president during this 100-year anniversary. In this day and age today, associations in most industries are struggling, and the ISSA is really thriving. So I think it's an exciting time. I'm really looking forward to my year as presidency, and we have a lot of great things planned for the 100-year anniversary.
We do. We'll talk about that as well, but let me ask you this. As a longtime member and avid supporter of the association, what's one thing about ISSA that's most important to you? And if you have more about the 100 years to share there, that's fine.
Yeah, it would be hard for me to limit one thing.
You can do more.
But answering your question, probably the most valuable thing that I have found is the networking opportunity, and an opportunity to get to know your peers in the industry, whether it be at the manufacturer level, the distributor level, or the building service contractor level. But getting to know your peers, joining peer groups, it's really the one-stop shop for the cleaning industry. I kind of consider the ISSA the nucleus of the cleaning industry. And the friends that you make at the ISSA have become friends of a lifetime for me.
I would imagine you have a lot of good friends because of the association and your work in the industry. And I agree, the networking is so valuable. That's what I look forward to at the show, meeting people, discussing, talking. Mm-hmm. Matt, some people that watch this recording, this episode, may be new to the association. If you're to give some advice to someone new, what might you say?
Thinking through an opportunity for a new member, the ISSA has so much educational resource opportunities. I can't think of a place better to go than the ISSA for those educational opportunities. The other thing I would mention to you is there's somebody within the association that has dealt with whatever issue in your business or whatever challenge you are facing right now. And the association is built to help its membership. So if you have an issue within your business, I guarantee you somebody has crossed that bridge before, and I would encourage you to participate in the association, be active, again, join a peer group, or get involved in one of the segments where your particular business fits.
It's good advice, and you're right. Everyone's been through situations and challenges. We can learn from each other and help each other. So good stuff. What about a current member? Would there be anything you would speak to them about? They've been here with us a while.
I would encourage all current members to challenge themselves on how they're utilizing the association today. I would equate it to the computer system you have in your business. We all have computer systems, but very few of us use the system to its capabilities. The association is so broad today, and there's so many different resources available to our membership. So I would challenge each and every one of you to take a look at how you and your business and all your associates within your company are utilizing the association.
Oh, that's good stuff.
Yeah, whether it be education or training, there are just numerous opportunities.
Good advice. Hopefully they do that and not become complacent. We want to see everyone using all the offerings the association has. Last question, Matt, and it ties into the 100-year anniversary that we're looking forward to. So what would you say is ISSA's greatest opportunity to advance the cleaning industry in the 100th year celebration that we're about to enjoy?
I think one of the most exciting things happening right now is the association's commitment to the industry and the fact that the current ISSA board of directors have endorsed a $5 million investment in a viral marketing campaign for our membership, really challenging the world to rethink cleaning and why cleaning is so important. And this marketing campaign will be very beneficial to all of our members, whether you're selling products or selling services, but creating awareness and adding credibility. It's going to be a very exciting time to see cleaning in the forefront.
Boy, we look forward to that because it's important to be known what we do, how we protect health, and provide clean environments for those that we serve. All right, Matt. So final words to our audience. Go ahead.
Well, I hope I get the opportunity to meet many of you at this upcoming show. And if I don't see you at the show and you happen to be viewing this afterwards, I look forward to seeing you at future ISSA events. Thank you.